Hello everybody, Comancer here, bringing another video, this time episode 22 of the Prepare to Die playthrough as Friar Bob. In the last episode let's see, what did I do? I kind of went more through Anne Orlando, made my way through this little inner area, and then I went and defeated Knight Lautrec, got the Ring of Favor and Protection, got, you know, humanity and the Firekeeper Soul and whatnot. I'm actually curious because I already had... What the heck? Oh, okay. I was like, where'd my other Firekeeper souls go? Okay. Long lost Firekeeper, and then we have this one down here. Firekeeper. Oh, okay, I see. So we have the other Firekeeper souls, so now we can actually go heal chick person. Whatever her face. The girl at Firelink Shrine that's dead now. We can go revive her. I'm gonna do that after I get the Lord Vessel, of course. But right now, I'm gonna go heal up, kindle, and yeah. Let's see. Let's use my twin humanity. I'm considering doing co-op on this one, Ornstein and Smo, because it's one of those. Or you might want to, so. And like I said in the last episode, that way I can actually get to the new content. Because I really want to make some PvP videos. But I can't make PvP videos until I'm actually in the new content and at the arena. And, you know, got decent gear. Or else it would be a weird video, be a pointless video. Whoa! Dang it. Got it. Okay. Let's see, I'm going to equip that Ring of Favor and Protection now. Let's unequip these just so I can see the change. Almost 200 more health, 22 more stamina, and another 12 equipment load. Fantastic. Actually, I'm really close to having 50% without Havel's Ring. Let's see, I could... change. Actually, I don't think there's any other ring that I would want, though. So, I mean, that kind of increases my defense and stuff a lot. Eh, we'll change something up here. I need it to be at 36. Let's see, 35.2, which is that? Okay, it's got 12. That's good for now, I guess. And then I can have the Ring of Steel Protection. Sweet. Dang it. Dang it. Come on, Code, be patient. Frick. Oh, I didn't summon anyone. I was going to. I'll just go do that now. Go rest up and summon somebody. Somebody. If there's any signs. Let's see. There are no signs here. Dang it. It's kind of a bummer. I'm not seeing too many people. I was expecting there to be a lot more people on the PC version. That's really weird. Well, okay. Guess I'm going at this solo. We're gonna try to defeat Ornstein and Smo solo. Solo the Smo. Alright. Backstab. I also still need to get the Dragon Slayer bow. go do that right now, actually. Get the Dragon Slayer bow, check out the giant blacksmith, see if there's anything he has that I could use. I could get some more green titanite shards, but I don't remember. I think I need large green. I don't know. I don't remember. It's been a while since I've actually dealt with all of the upgrading and stuff. So, we shall see. We gotta run. Awesome. Plunging attack. Let's heal up. Unlock this door. Go back here to get this. Whoa, he tried to attack me. Lightning spear. Dang it. Oh, I got him still. There we go. Get him. There, he fell off the edge. We're good. Titanite chunk. Are there items on the sides? I don't recall. Nope. Dang it. I still got him. Actually caught him out of the sky. Or out of his flight, mid-flight. Stuff. Alright, let's check this out. Yeah, okay. Oh. What is this? Soul of Man. What? Manus catalyst? That does not ring any bells. Huh. Let's see here. Just kind of looking through stuff. I could, let's see. I didn't see my halberd. Maybe I just skimmed through too fast. Crystal halberd. Maybe it's because it's equipped. Or something. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and buy some titanite shards. Yeah, titanite shards. I'm gonna upgrade my shield and stuff. My Balder shield. Because right now it's at... Can I check the stats? 64 stability. Let's see what raising it will do. Okay, 65. I need to buy a couple more titanite shards. Perfect. Alright, what else can I do? I can start upgrading that Balder side sword. And then maybe turn that into a divine weapon as well. Let's see, I need 10 titanite shards, I believe. For a full thing, full reinforcement. Alright, I need more souls. Good thing I have a hero soul, or something. I know I have something that I picked up. Yeah, soul of hero. Oh, I need one more titanite shard. Whoopsie. Awesome. So I've got a +5 Balder straight friggin' something. I can't upgrade it here though. I can't make it divine here because you know. Actually, I'm kind of curious what special abilities it has. I can't upgrade it here because this blacksmith does not have the divine ember. So, yeah. Just gonna go out here so I can see what its specials are. Alright, kind of have like a lungy thingy. And just another lungy thingy. Anything special? Lame. Why does everybody like it so much? Weird. Oh well, I just spent a bunch of stuff on it. Alright, let's go ahead and equip my divine halberd again. Ooh, a summon sign. Dang it. Almost fell off the edge there. Whoa there. Slow down, buddy. No! Dodged it. Got it. Got him. Woot. Gonna summon Night Solaire. So I can get some more of those sunlight metals. Lunging attack. Dang it, didn't work. Didn't work right. Crap. Go away. Go back down. Alright, let's see. Plunging attack. Awesome. Whoa there! Oh, crap. Shoot. Roll, roll, roll. Heal up. Jeez, Night Solaire is getting wrecked. I got you. Oh, I can't see. Dang it. Let's kill this other one. Dang it. Frick. Sure hits a lot. For a lot of damage, I mean. Dang, I don't want Night Solaire to be at half health when I go into this fight. I'm going to go ahead and summon someone, and while I'm waiting for them to be summoned, I will go ahead and open up that big door. Oh, or I'll not summon. There we go. Perfect timing. Revolver Rabbit. If I'm not mistaken, I think he actually had the Baldur side sword. Okay. So I'm thinking I'll hold on to the Baldur side sword and I'll get the Sunlight Blade Miracle. Yeah, and then we'll F some people up. Run away! Let's see here. I think what I have is probably my best bet. Everything that I have equipped. Oh man. No, summoning failed. Ah, get this guy. Capped Kami. She had a rapier. Or, I think it was Rickards or whatever the frick his name is. Let's see here. I'll go ahead and equip Humanity just in case I run out of Estus for some reason. I could try. If I need a faster weapon, which I might for this boss fight, I'll try out the Baldur side sword. Oh, frick, that's right, I can't. I don't have the required stats. Dexterity is a little bit low. Alright, well, I'm waiting for someone to summon someone. I think that's where I'm going to end episode... I have no idea what episode this is. It's either 21 or 22. I don't know, but it's up there. What's up there is correct. And yeah, that's where I'm going to end the episode. I will continue the next episode once I actually summon someone, so you're not waiting for this whole summoning period. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Episode next, I don't know what to call it because I don't know the number. The next episode will be up shortly.